unmute yourself. Go ahead and unmute yourself and explain to me, why do you think?
So my theory about it is I think like all the cocoa, you put all the cocoa got so much concentration, it just sank down to the bottom, and then the rest of the cocoa is like the water you added. So like some of the particles out of the cocoa rised up a bit, but most of them stayed down to the bottom.
That is a very sophisticated answer, Jason. I appreciate that. So that is Jason's theory. We are going to see what Amani has to say. Amani, you have some opinions. Tell me, what do you think? Go ahead, Amani. What do you think? And wait, I want you to use scientific words. Use scientific words like Mr. Benger used in the chat. Make sure you're using solute, solvent, concentration. Go ahead.
I think you put too much chocolate at the bottom. You put too much chocolate in it, and then it went all to the bottom. You put too much, and it looked concentrated because look back.
Okay, Amani, I like that theory. I'm gonna take one more theory. I heard Trinity said something interesting. Trinity, can you unmute yourself and tell me what is your theory? Where are you, Trinity? Go ahead, Trinity. What did you read in the chat? Yeah, Trinity, you had a good idea. Go ahead. What did you say?
You did not mix it well.
I didn't mix it well. So that's another theory, right? So maybe Ms. Vazquez did not mix it well and something happened and it floated to the bottom. Well, we're going to find out what happened. So what we're going to do today is we're going to play a game and we're going to play with a model. So first things first that I need you to do, I need you to go into your Google Classroom and I need you to open up your science word work. So go into your Google Classroom. I'm going to show you where you're going so that you guys can all be on the same page. We're going to our Google Classroom right here. So you're going to see 12, 10, 20, 20 mixtures and solutions. Mr. Benger, if you could help them out, figure out how to get them there, that would be great. I'm also trying to help them out. Good. We have the Google Classroom link that Mr. Benger just sent you. You can also click on here. And the first thing we're going to work on is word work. So you're going to click on word work and you're going to open the slides. Neveya, I want to see us. We're opening the slides. Amani, I need to see us opening the slides. Jemaya, I need to see you in the camera. Alexis, I need to see you in the camera as well. Kashard. Jarrell, love to see you there. Zorian, like to see you. Thank you, Trinity, for being there. Let's go. Let's go. I have high expectations. I expect you guys to be doing your work. Let's go. Thank you, Jamia. I hope you opened up your work. So as you can see, we have a few slides. What we're going to do for the first slide right here, we're going to try to figure out this game that Ms. Vazquez is going to have us play. But before we figure this out, I want you guys to be able to drag and drop the correct vocabulary words into the correct circles. Okay? So I'm going to help you with a few of them, and I'm going to expect to see you be able to do the rest. Neo, I need to see eyes on the screen. I need to see us doing our work. Amani, same for you. So we are on our slides, our science word work slides. We are taking our definitions over here, our words, I mean, our vocabulary words, and we are going to drag and drop them into the correct places, okay? So what this is a mix, we're making solutions, and we're trying to figure out what part of this model is what vocabulary word, okay? All right, so I'm going to give you the first one. This is concentration, all right? This number over here is concentration. So I need everybody to pull their vocabulary word and bring it over to concentration because that is going to be the correct spot where you're going to pull your word. Neveya, I hope I see you doing your work. Amani, I don't see you in the camera. I expect to see you back very, very soon. Keontae, love the puppy. I hope that you are doing your work. Jemaya, love to see it. I hope you pulled that vocabulary word. Now I'm going to help you with this one. Dissolve, right? So I'm going to pull it over to this middle part right here, dissolve, because our drink mix dissolved into our solution. So that is where dissolve goes. So we put concentration, we put dissolve, and the three things that are left for you to figure, and I'll put saturation for you because this is going to be tough and you'll know about it later. So saturation's right there. So now, we have to figure out our two words right here, solution and solute. I need you guys to figure out solution and solute. Where do they go? You have two more green circles left. I need you guys to figure out where that's going to go. Okay? So let me see who's doing their work, who's doing a good thinking job. Jabril, I can't tell if you're thinking or if you're doing your work. Did you drag and drop your vocabulary words into the right place? I hope so. This is part of your grade. Jemiah looks like she's doing a good thinking job. Alexis looks like she's doing a good thinking job. Neo looks like he's doing a good thinking job. And if you don't know for sure, that's okay. We're going to go over it later, okay? Keontae, I hope you're doing a good thinking job as well. You look like it. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to send you the link and we're going to play the game. And we're going to discuss these vocabulary words a little bit more. All right, let me open it for you guys. This is what you're going to be seeing. Before I send it to you, make sure that you're going to be seeing this website, okay? So here we are. Here's the link. Mr. Bangura can also send it to you through Hapara. And we're going to get started. So before we start playing this, we see it in this second slide. Amani, are we eyes on the screen? Are we paying attention? Nevaeh, eyes on the screen. Are we paying attention? Because this is important. We're doing a lot of stuff right now. Thank you, Jemiah, for eyes on the screen. Jarrell's also eyes on the screen. Trinity, our eyes on the screen. We're paying attention, right? We're about to play this game. I want to make sure everybody's on the same page. Okay. So before we play this game, I'm going to show you right now, we have to figure out a number. This is going to be the goal of the game, is to figure out a certain number. And you guys are going to help me figure that out. Okay? So let's go back to the game. Everybody should have it open. Can I get a done in the chat for everybody who's in the game? I want to see who's in the game already. We got a done from Neo. Who else? We got a done from Destin. Good. We got a done from Jemiah, from Jason, from Zorian, Destin, Jalen. I'm looking for some other names in the chat. Who's able to get on here? Alexis, good. Love to see it. Let's go, let's go. All right, so first things first, guys, we're gonna pull over this little purple thing that says concentration, and we're gonna pull it into the water. Now, can everybody tell me? Jarrell, I just sent you the link. There it is again, click on it. Now, we pulled this little purple lever into the water. What is the concentration, everybody? Write it in the chat. What is the concentration right now? The concentration, you can see it over here in this purple. I got Neo with a 0. We pulled this little purple thing into the water to see the concentration. We got Zorian with a 0. Okay. We got Jalen with a 0. Alexis with a 0. Good. Everybody else, what are you getting? Are you getting zeros? We got Jason. Yep. All right. Jemiah with a 0. Exactly. Trinity, I'm waiting for some answers from you. Amani, I don't know what's going on with participation. We were 100%, but we're slipping today. I don't know what's going on. Jarrell, I'm waiting for some answers from you. Good job. Good job, good job. On top of it. All right, so now I'm going to say, hey, we're going to pull this drink mix, which is our solute. And I'm going to say, hey, we have a concentration of 0 right now. Can anybody tell me, who has an idea? Why is the concentration 0? Why is the concentration 0? Alexis, can you unmute yourself? Why do you think the concentration is 0?
Because we did not put it in the
Solute?
solute in it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's exactly it. And I love that Alexis is using the science words, right? We didn't add any solute or drink mix yet. There's no solute in there. Very good. So what we're going to do now, guys, look, we're going to put some solute or some drink mix in there. Now listen very carefully. We're going to shake it only 3 times. Only 3 times. Are we ready? Set. Go. 2, 3, done. Stop, stop, stop. Don't shake anymore. Don't shake anymore. Time's up, time's up. No shaking. Now, everybody, write in the chat, what is your concentration now? What is your concentration now? I want to see those numbers in the chat. Mine is 0.680. I'm going to add it there. That's mine. We got Destin 6.6. We got a Jason 9.3. Jason, you went a little too much. We got Neo at 7.8. Continue. We got Trinity with 7.8. Amani 4.2. We got an 8.66 from Jemiah. Anyone else? Nevaeh got the same one as me. Cool. All right, we're going to try it again. Now you're going to go when I say go, and you're going to stop when I say stop, okay? Now I have a question. Jemiah, what is the name of the drink mix again? Is it a solution or is it a solute? The thing we're putting into the water.
It's a solute.
Oh, yes, Jemiah. You got that gold star for Jemiah this morning. That is exactly it. It is a solute. Perfect. So ready? We're going to drop this solute into the water. We're going to do 3 shakes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3 shakes. Stop.
Mama.
Stop. All right, everybody. What is your concentration? Write it in the chat. Write in your concentration in the chat. Mine is 1.110. We got a 1.2, we got a 1.36, okay. What else? I'm waiting. We got a 1.418, we got a 1.19, 1.260, okay, 1.05, Alexis. All right, I'm waiting for some other answers in the chat. Zorian with the 1, Amani with the 1039, picking up your participation, love to see it. Trinity with the 1.07, okay, good, I can't say numbers right now. All right, everybody, you ready? Now I'm gonna ask you, you're gonna keep putting in your solute into your solution as long as you can until I say stop. So you're just gonna keep putting more as much as possible. Are you ready? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. As much as you can. Go, 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 go. When I say stop, you stop. But not now. Keep going. So much concentration. It's getting more and more. Stop. Everybody stop. Everybody stop. All right. All right, everyone put your concentration in. What is your concentration? What is your concentration? 5.9. All right. I'm going to ask you, if your concentration is not yet 5.960, you need to keep going. So if your concentration is not 5.960, you need to keep going. So everybody else keep going until you get 5.960, a little bit more. And then you need to stop. All right. I'm going to write it done. Everyone, when you're done, put done. 5.60. Done. All right. Now, I have a big question for you guys. I have a huge question for you guys, and I'm going to see who can get this question right. What do we see that's different about this solution than before? Suddenly, something is very different, and it's really small, so I don't know if you guys can see it. I got some participation hands. Let's see. Yeah, I got redder. Okay. Now, let me see. I want to hear from some people. Jemiah. I'm going to hear from Jemiah, Amani, and Jason, and then Jarrell. Jemiah, what do you see that's different? Go ahead, Jemiah.
What I see that's different is the water is red now.
Okay, so the water's red. Do you see anything else that's really small that's different?
And it's like little stuff at the bottom of the water.
Okay, I like that. We got a little stuff that's at the bottom of the water. Very good. Amani, do you see the same thing? What do you see? Go ahead. Do you want to say it, or you want me to read it out loud? Yeah, so what do you see that's different from the first time that we stopped to this time?